everybody, welcome to my channel, Leni's Life. My name is Lennox, and we're making healthy banana bread. Alright, let's go get started! So what you need is measuring cups, measuring teaspoons, and a hand mixer. And remember, ask your dogs for help. A muffin tin. These are the ingredients you need. I'll need 4 eggs and 2 bananas. And 3½ cups of flour. And you need nuts and chocolate chips. You'll need 1 cup of honey. 2/3 cup of coconut oil. You will need 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of milk. Alright, let's get this started! Step 2, you need to peel your bananas and squash them. Take your masher, smash them all up. Yeah. Okay, step 3. Now we're gonna mix your honey and your coconut oil together. Let's start with the honey first. And who likes honey? I do. Add your eggs. If you're not good like me, just stuff it in a separate bowl and then just stuff it in here. Next, we're going to add our eggs into our honey and coconut oil. Now you're going to beat this together. Next up, we're going to add our bananas and our milk. Now we're going to mix this together as well. That was actually kind of fun. I'm going to add all of these now, but first we're going to add the vanilla. Oh, and it was kind of funny because the honey and this kind of look the same. So, the whole thing. Add the vanilla. Now, cinnamon. That sticks up. Maybe we'll use one. The whole thing. And your baking soda, holding, looks like snow, and your salt, just a little bit. Oh, touched it. Now mix that around with this. Whoop, that killed it. Now we're gonna add our flour just a little bit at a time, and then, so I'm gonna add a half a cup at a time. Next, when it's all mixed up, we're gonna add some yum chocolate chips, just because they're yummy and chocolatey, and some nuts for healthy, because they're healthy and yummy. So let's get a handful and then drop that in. Now mix it up. Yeah! Actually, guys, I'm gonna go watch TV. But just kidding, I can't leave the video on. So, when you have all your batter mixed up, you're gonna pour it into a pan. So I'm gonna use a muffin pan. So what you need to do is you have to pour this in here, but so it doesn't stick, you're gonna use some, whoopsie. You're gonna use some avocado oil, and you're gonna take 1-3 cups of this into this. So this, like I said, doesn't stick if you put this in. If you don't put that in, this gonna stick. So here's a trick. So if you put like this oil in this, it doesn't really stick, so it's a lot easier to scoop. Ooh. It will still taste yummy. It's in the oven, so now it has to cook for 25 minutes, depending on your oven. If you're making regular bread, it is 40 to 50 minutes if you're using a loaf pan. Okay, everybody, I'll see you in 25 minutes, and now we're going to do the taste test. Now it's all ready. Let's take a bite, and we also have some milk. Good. See how the milk does. I think it's good. 20 out of 20 for mine. Milk. Alright, everybody, that's it for this one. And remember, like and subscribe. If you like this channel, give us a thumbs up.